Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. What is on the lab today? So today our lesson is about Physics Form 4 Chapter 3, Force and Pressure. So today I'm gonna to teach you and explain to you what for the first subtopic in this chapter, which is pressure, tekanan. What is pressure, class? Adakah tekanan tu macam dalam gambar yang sebelah? Of course not. Okay, yang dalam gambar ni adalah tekanan perasaan. What I'm going to explain to you today is all about pressure in physics. So we're going to continue our class. So this is the learning outcome that we're going to cover for our lesson today. There are 3 parts, which is the first part is concept of pressure, following by calculation and problem solving that related to pressure, and the last one is the situation involving pressure. So 3 benda ni kita akan cover hari ni. Okay, tanpa buang masa, we're going to continue. Concept of pressure. So pressure is the quantity of force exerted on surface area. So this is the formula for pressure, which is P equal to F over A, where P is pressure produced, F is the force exerted normally to, A is a surface area, which is the surface contact. Okay, so force exerted normally to certain surface area. So the unit for pressure is Newton over meter square, and also known as the special unit for pressure is the Pascal. Okay, this is the diagram that related to the pressure. As we can see at the left side, there are 2 situation, which is the low pressure and the high pressure. So dekat kiri tu kita dapat tengok low pressure macam mana, high pressure macam mana. Okay, as we can see, we assume that for both load have the same weight. Okay, maksudnya load dekat sini sama. Yang beza dekat dua-dua diagram ni adalah low pressure dengan high pressure adalah surface area. Kita dapat tengok dekat sebelah kiri, low pressure, the surface area is bigger. So when the surface area bigger, the low pressure will be produced. How about the high pressure? Okay, high pressure kita dapat tengok surface contact between the load and the base is less or smaller. When the surface area is smaller, the high pressure will be produced. Okay, clear? Good. So this is the relationship between pressure, force and surface area. Okay, pressure will be changed if the value of force and the surface area is also changed. So kita boleh kata dekat sini pressure bergantung kepada 2 benda ni, iaitu force and surface area. Okay, pressure will be increased. Okay, kalau pressure akan meningkat bila mana? The first thing, kita increase the value of force. Okay, kita tambah force lagi. As you can see in the diagram, macam kamu tengok dalam diagram tu, ada 2 kotak. The small box have 5 Newton weight, and the big box kita ada 20 ataupun 20 Newton weight. So when we want to produce a higher pressure, we need to increase the force. Okay, kalau kita nak pressure yang tinggi, kita kena tinggikan juga force yang dikenakan. The second one is the surface area. Okay, kalau kita nak pressure yang tinggi, when we want to produce a higher pressure, kita kena decrease the surface area of object. Okay, surface contact must be smaller. Okay, kalau kita tengok kat diagram, as you can see in the diagram, okay, 2 butter tu, okay, bricks tu adalah sama, tapi yang beza adalah surface area. At the left side, kita tengok, okay, butter tu ataupun bricks tu, dia mengenakan higher pressure to span because the surface area contact is smaller. So the pressure will be higher. Dekat kanan tu tengok surface area is higher ataupun bigger. So the pressure produced is lower. So kat sini kita boleh kata pressure will be increased if the amount of F ataupun force exerted increases and the surface area is decreased. And pressure will be decreased if the amount of force exerted is decreases and the surface area is increases. So ingat, simple, kita nak pressure yang tinggi, kita kecilkan surface area tapi kita tambah force, ataupun kita nak pressure yang rendah, kita kenakan force yang sikit, ataupun kita boleh besarkan surface area. So first example, we gonna to solve this question together. Okay, kita buat sama-sama. Okay, On a table is a full box of groceries which has a weight of 160 Newton. The area of the base of the box is 8 meter square. What is the pressure between the box and the table? So, as we know, okay, macam kita tahu, first kali tulis dulu dia punya formula. P equal to F over A. So, in this question, okay, dalam soalan dia dah bagi dah nilai weight ataupun force. Dan dia bagi kat sini area contact atau surface area. So, kita boleh kata force ataupun weight of the box adalah 160 Newton over surface area berapa? 8 meter square. So, the answer will be 20 Pascal ataupun Newton over meter square. Ni jawapan dia. Mudah kan? Okay, good. So, we proceed. Okay, second example. Okay, ada diagram. Calculate the maximum and the minimum pressure that produced between the box and the ground if the weight of the box is 20 Newton. So, dekat sini dia bagi dah kat sini adalah nilai F. Dia bagi. Tapi dia minta cari maximum dengan minimum. So, back to the concept. Kalau kita nak pressure yang tinggi, kita kena ada surface area yang kecil. Okay, max pressure kena ada surface area yang kecil. But minimum pressure kita kena ada surface area yang besar. Okay, so kita tengok kat sini ada 3 section A, B dan C. Okay, untuk A kita kira. Okay, kita akan cari yang mana paling kecil, yang mana paling besar. Untuk A, 0.5 meter times by 0.6 meter, kita akan dapat 0.3 meter square. Untuk B, kita dapat 1.0 meter times by berapa? 0.5 meter. So, kita akan dapat 0.5 meter square. Yang C pula, kita dapat 1.0 meter times by 1.6 meter. So, kita akan dapat 0.6 meter square. So, yang mana paling kecil? The smaller surface area will be A. Okay, ni adalah maximum. Okay, yang ini adalah minimum. So, kita kira macam biasa. For maximum, P equal to F over A, where kat sini kita ada dah 20 Newton over 0.3 meter square. So, the answer will be 66.7 Pascal. Okay. Yang minimum pula, minimum pressure, kita akan dapat P equal to F over A. Okay, 20 Newton. Okay, berat yang sama, weight still same, but the different surface area 0.6 meter square. So, the answer will be 33.3 Pascal. So, this is the final answer. So, we already got the answer, the final answer for the maximum pressure produced and the minimum pressure produced. Okay, good. So, this is the situation involving the pressure, okay, or the application of the pressure. Okay, so the height pressure. Okay, tekanan tinggi. Okay, there are 3 examples right here. So, the first one is picture of the cutting cucumber, and the second one at the middle, the football boot, and the last one is skate shoes. Okay. When the surface area of an object is smaller, the pressure produced is higher. Cutting cucumber much easier when the knife is very sharp, small surface area. Okay, when you use the dull knife, it's quite hard to cutting the cucumber. So if you use the very sharp knife, it's much easier to cut any kind of things or cucumber. Okay. Small surface area of stud increase the pressure between the shoes or boot and the field, so that the grip on the feet will be much better. And the high pressure is exerted by ice skating shoes due to small surface area of metal blade to the ice ground. Okay, semua ni adalah berkaitan dengan high pressure. Okay, so the concept, the point is when we have the smaller surface area, okay, so the pressure produced is higher. Okay, So this is the situation involving pressure or application of low pressure. Tekanan rendah. Okay, there are three examples right here, which is the snowboard, the tractor with a big tire or wider tire, and the last one is a bag with wide strap. Okay, so snowboard have large surface area, so that the pressure exerted on the snow is lower and prevent the skater sink into the snow. Okay, the second one, by using wider tire, the tractor can move on the soft ground without stuck or sink into it because the pressure is low. And the last one, a wide back strap will reduce the pressure on the shoulder of the person that carrying heavy load. Okay, dekat sini kita akan tengok, andai kata yang dekat snowboard ni kita guna surface area yang kecil, agak-agak apa yang jadi? Of course, dia akan tenggelam. Sebab apa? Pressure yang dihasilkan adalah higher or bigger. Okay. Okay, dekat tractor dia guna wider tire to increase the surface area so that the pressure exerted on the ground will be lower. Okay, sama juga dengan bag. Bag kalau kita pergi sekolah tu, okay, dia akan ada dia punya size dia ataupun lebar dia banyak. Sebab apa? Bila kita bawa buku yang banyak, so load akan jadi besar, force dia akan jadi besar. So kita perlukan surface area yang bigger to reduce the pressure. So tak adalah kita sakit sangat bahu kita bila kita bawa bag ataupun buku yang berat-berat. Okay. Okay, please remember, if the force exerted is higher or bigger and at the same time the surface area is smaller, it will produce a high pressure. And how about when we decrease the force exerted on the surface area and the surface area at the same time is quite bigger, so it will produce the low pressure. Okay, good. Next, third example. Okay, there are two pictures, A and B. Okay, so compare the surface area, depth of sinking, and the pressure in the diagram above. Relate pressure and surface area. So we can say that for the A have smaller surface area, so the man sink deeper into the snow. But compared to the B have bigger surface area and the depth of sinking is low. Okay, so we can say that the surface area, when the surface area is small, the pressure exerted to the snow will be high. And if the surface area is big, so the pressure exerted on the snow will be low. Sebab tu dekat A, lelaki tu dia macam tenggelam separuh, tapi dekat dalam B, lelaki tu dia tak tenggelam sebab surface area dia besar. Tu je. So please answer the quiz question at the link in the description below. So saya dah buat satu link dalam quizzes. Saya dah attach link tu dalam description kat bawah video ni. So saya harap kamu boleh buat lah. Please complete all the question I provide to you. Okay, and then that's all for today. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.